Welcome. Today I am with Sony WH-1000XM3 headphones, and I'll show you how you can use ambient sound control. So the first, you have to be connected with your headphones application. It's Sony application. You have to click on the sound, and when you are here, you can turn on or turn off ambient sound control by tapping on the switcher. So we are going to turn it on, and here you can set up the ambient sound between 1 and 20. You can also use ambient, white noise reduction or noise cancelling. You can also set the ambient sound to focus on the voices. You can also use ambient sound control by using this button on your left headphone. So when you click on it once, you can turn off ambient sound control, you can enable noise cancelling, or enable the ambient sound. And as you can see, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.